Thanks so much for tuning in to Locked on UConn. There is not a podcast today. I was traveling, and in its stead, I'm going to send you a montage here of the trip, and really looking forward to what you guys think. Put some time and effort into, getting some good fan clips, some good pictures, some good video from the game, but also some good press coverage with Dan and some of his comments that were some really informative, some just hysterical. Dan being Dan, Liam, Haas, Terrace were great in the press conference. But honestly, the fans, everybody that helped me out over the weekend and the last time I was in Connecticut in the stores, you know who you are. Appreciate it. There's too many to mention. Shout out to my boys from Meriden who were there meeting me before the game. And that's all. Enjoy.
Let's go, Huskies! Let's go!
That over the weekend and now get down 14 against this team and win. I mean, I can't imagine what our fans, I know what my nerves are like. My fucking aura ring is ready to explode.
Coach, Eric Dixon, like he said, leading scorer in the country, held him to more of a volume shooter, 3 of 13. He was 9 of 12 from the free throw line, 17 points. But was Terrace, was that a concerted effort to kind of get his weight on him to kind of maybe bog him down for the rest of the game so that at the end he wasn't as fresh?
Yeah, I mean, we screwed up a couple switches with him where he got some pick and pop threes in the first half, Mark, and just Terrace he's got just a great combination of physical strength and agility and mobility. So if there is a good matchup one-on-one in the post versus a guy like Dixon, you can match him size-wise, agility.
Now that you got this win, what's it mean to have Cam and Tristan in the building tonight to watch?
I apologize to Tristan multiple times for just how much of an asshole I was to him. He was around in practice yesterday. DC's been around the last couple of days. Cam's been around multiple times. I just think it's really lifted the coaching staff up. We were down coming out of Saturday. Obviously, coaches take losses way tougher than players take them. So, just to hang out with those guys the last couple of days, it lifted the spirits up of the staff, and I think some of a lot of the team too. Those two guys, man, crazy.
I love shooting free throws.
We good? Yes.
Thanks, everyone.
See you in the guard.